To remove the mirror, it's really easy. Take a small screwdriver, and there's two lock with the small pins in the middle. So with the screwdriver, you push the pin until inside. Of course, it's falling down inside. And you must think to recover, to collect, sorry, not to recover, not in English. You must think to collect when you remove the shell, the plastic shell, see? And just you pull up. See, it fell down. Small pin, see, you put inside, and when you push, it spread the clip, and it's blocked the mirror, just easy. After you remove, there is a clip up, you remove the connector. And there is 3 Torx number 13 to unscrew. So let's go.